Daniel Park's fighting style is clean, disciplined, and balanced. He doesn't rely on natural talent. He grows through consistent training and sharp fundamentals. If you want to train like Daniel, you need to build technique, speed, body control, and adaptable strength. Start with fundamentals. Daniel Park's punches are clean because he prioritizes form. Practice jabs, crosses, hooks, and uppercuts with perfect mechanics. Focus on alignment, rotation, and crisp execution. Good technique beats raw aggression every time. Next is footwork. Daniel is fast on his feet and stays light. Train small steps, pivots, lateral movement, and quick forward down-back motions. Your feet should guide your fight, not your fists. Now build agility. Daniel reacts fast and changes angles quickly. Use ladder drills, shadowboxing, fast step-outs, and explosive direction changes. Agility makes your attacks sharper and your defense smoother. Train speed. Daniel's punches are fast because he practices snapping motions. Shadowbox with fast combinations, speed punches, and light, fluid movement. Speed comes from relaxation, not tension. Strengthen your core. Daniel's power and posture come from a solid midsection. Use planks, leg raises, hollow holds, and twists to build a functional core. A strong core improves every punch, dodge, and pivot to build balance and stability. Daniel's transformation gave him better control. Practice single-leg work, slow-motion kicks, and controlled pivots. Balance creates confidence in movement. Add conditioning. Daniel fights with endurance and rhythm. Use bodyweight circuits, shadowboxing rounds, and footwork drills to build stamina. A well-conditioned body moves with ease. Train adaptability. Daniel learns during a fight. Practice switching angles, changing rhythm, and reacting to unpredictable cues. A good fighter adjusts faster than he attacks. Finally, build discipline. Daniel improves because he refuses to stay weak. Daily practice, clean habits, and consistent effort transform you over time. Your growth becomes your strength. If you train fundamentals, footwork, agility, speed, core strength, balance, conditioning, and discipline, you will build a real-life version of Daniel Park's fighting style: clean, sharp, adaptable, and constantly improving. Move with purpose. Train with intent. Transform yourself.